Okay, if you have a toilet that's leaking, once you flush it, it fills all the way top and it's still leaking because this level is going bad. It's connected to your valve. It's either your screw, that I have the oldest style valve, so either your screw is stripped out, which is here, it's stripped out, you can keep tying it and it doesn't hold in place. So I just went out and bought this whole set, only like 10 bucks. This anti-siphon piston ball cock, and I'm just gonna replace the whole thing. It's really easy, really simple. Again, it's only 10 bucks. Might as well just buy the whole thing to replace it. First, you gotta turn off your water, and then let me come in here real quick. I take a shop vac. And I just vacuum everything. Once you flush everything out, just vacuum it. And you get all the hard water stuff built up in there too. Just vacuum it out. And then you just, of course I already mentioned, turn your water off. Then you loosen your valve here, your coupling. Then your water valve, can they see it here? Yeah. You loosen that up. I usually have a towel. It's gonna drip a little bit. Loosen that valve up, and I just wipe it. And then you have a coupling down here, and you just loosen it. I'll show you here. It's like a 10-minute job, it's not that hard. Just loosen this. It's called coupling. See that? And it comes right off. Comes right off. Throw that in there. You can buy a set one with the new floater, but I decided to keep the old floater. And they have a newer style one, but I went with the same style because the height, the new ones are just a little bit lower. So you can see here. Make sure you have your seal and everything. Just pop it in. Pop it in here. You want to make sure it's clean, not full of debris around here, which I already did. You got your hard wire, because it sits there. Your seal, it sits there. Let me see here. Yep. You want your seal, then your coupling underneath. So here's your seal. You put that on top. You put your coupling. It should seal it. Okay. And this one came with an extra hose. If that one don't fit, you can take that one out, but it should fit. Let's see here. Tighten up. You want this to face that way, so your floor can fit right. And then let's see if this fits in there. Yep, so I don't need to change this coupling. Okay, so I'm gonna hand tighten it. You can use a crescent on it, but I'm gonna twist counterclockwise top and bottom counterclockwise. I mean top clockwise and bottom counterclockwise. Tighten it up. Tighten up the water valve here. Okay, and then this one came with a new rod. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the rod. This one's kind of bent. Put in the rod first. Okay, and the floater. Again, this is only 10 bucks. I might as well replace the whole thing. And then hook up your water line. It even came with a new water line, but I'm not going to replace it since I should, huh? Let's see here. Just replace it. Push it in there. This is kind of long, you can trim it, but this side way. There it goes. And that's it. I'm gonna turn the water on and see if it leaks and if it works. Looking at the angle a little bit. There you go. So just once you put that rod in, you have to just give a little angle so it gets a little pressure leverage to bend that back. So get a little pressure and then I'll stop it. Now you can adjust that with your height water level. You want to adjust it where it doesn't overflow to the top of your safety tank bowl, for your safety, the water safety tank level. There it goes. I think that's perfect. Let me see it, cause yeah. And you don't want to be too cheap with the water because you want to flush everything, right? Everything to be able to flush. But that's all to it. That's really simple. And once you do it like that, super clean. Make sure you have a shop vac, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, fix things and save some money. Thanks.